आमर एरिया देख ये जंगल एरिया रोइला आगरी काट मिली रोइला पतर मिली रोइला साग मिली रोइला कि खाई बटन से मिली रोइला जरन रोइला पानी रोइला
आमर आगु बहुत भल थिला आम पहाड़ थिला जंगल थिला झरना थिला काठ खंदा चंगा सब फुल
हो पहाड़ के मिसा खाट पतर के खंदा चेरंगा के कजी करी आमर दंदा ही जातुली आगे खंदा नि रोइले देख के लका रानी खंदा जंगल जाई करे मुंडी खंदा नि करे के लका रांदी करे हमर पिला जिला के पोसलु
कंपानी जा गुटे आसला आजिकाली एबारू देख से माने खणी नहीं जाऊँगी टिके टिके पानी कमी आसुँच चाष भी कमुची सब भी कमी जाऊँगी चिंता आज्ञा एवं आम चाष कले भी चाष हो
माइनिस झरणा होकर खाली गोलिया पानी आसुच लाल पानी पानी भी कमी जाऊँ
से माइनिंग आसला को नदीर पानी नाई ने हे गच पतर ठीके बड़ बड़ गच थिलाटा से गच हाणी हाणी करी गाड़ी रे भरी करी से आड़े एक नहीं जाउछंती हेते बटा गाड़ा आसबाटा नंदास बाटेटा टिके टिके एबे कमी जाउची नदीर पानी ओटी गले रे हमर रोइबा छांथ नाई नहीं
पूर्व दिने गछ थिला आज्ञा मझे मझे डंगर पहाड़ माने खाती करी चाष कलु पड़ू चाष करवा पूर्व आज्ञा गछटा मरीगला मरीगलु एबे चाष बास कले भी आमर किछि हो नै
It's a peasant society. They depend mainly on the forest and on cultivation. So we found that over the years the forest land had decreased and they were bringing more and more areas under shifting cultivation, or it is called locally Podu cultivation, where people move from one patch to another in every 2 years or 3 years, and then the cycle becomes larger and larger, and the production was diminishing. That also leads to climate change. The large scale burning might also affect the environment, and then the soil erosion is also, causing a lot of unsustainability.
आगे तो वर्षा भी बोलता पानी भी बोलता खरा भी बोलता एवं तो खरा हो काट बदा मासे काट दूची पानी काट दूची कौट पसंद कौट आम खाइबू.
This led to a downward spiral of diminishing returns. Then eventually, where 10 years back people were quite self-reliant, people had not even heard of migrating out. Slowly now, because of the diminishing returns from the land, the migration rate has increased something like 3-4 times. Almost every village has 15-20 people who are migrating out for income.
एमती पैसा पत्र टिके अभाव थिला सेटा पे बाहर जाइथिलु असुविधा थिलारु जाइथिलु रायगड़ा कोचिंद्रु एमती केरल बॉम्बे
के हरण होइतिले कि मलर मरितिले आसबाल कासितिले एमती हरण होइतिले.
So what could be a more sustainable way of land use where people would get their subsistence food and income as well? We thought that initially plantations in the uplands would help to protect the uplands, and if they got income from the upland plantations, they will naturally cut down on shifting cultivation, and the lowlands they will start farming sustainably. And slowly we developed the idea of this eco-village where family farm and commons are developed.
आगे माने गाँव राशि करी मीटिंग कोला ना यार तुम्हें कमिटी मा माने गोड़बू कमिटी गोड़बू की नहीं मैं नहीं गोड़बू में समस्त एकाठू हेबू बोललू
Ilenkeji kiya, ilenkeji hachadereci. Huli hanadera raji kusi raji. Anda hanadera. Hanadera haki vanadera. Mihimra wakati hi. Kisipa. Haki eski. Mihimra wakati hurga pawa uderde. Deska pawa uderde. Kuli halji.
এটা সি ପୋଲିସ ହବ କରି ଏଟା କଥା କଥା ବିଚାର ହେଇକରି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏକାଠି ହେଇକରି ବସିଲି ଗାଁରେ ବସି କରି ଏଟା ଏ କାମ ଆନବା ବୋଲି ଆମେ ଭାବି କରି ଆଣିଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ତମେ ଏମିତି ଏମିତି କରି ଆମକୁ ଲଗେଇଲେ ଏମିତି ହେବ ଭଲ ହେଇକରି ଚଲବ ବୋଲି କରି ବଡ଼ ମା ମାନେ ଆସିକରି ଆମକୁ ସେ ଫାର୍ମଟା ଦେଲେ ଦେଲା ଘିନି ଆମେ ଲିଚୁ ଗଛ ଆମ୍ ଗଛ ଯାଏଁ ଚାହିଁ ମାନେ କାଜୁ ଗଛ ଦେଲା ଘିନି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଟା ଲଗେଇଛୁ ଆମେ ମଞ୍ଜି ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଆଣିଦେଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମାନେ ମଞ୍ଜି ଗୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଆଣିଦେଲାରୁ ଆମେ ନର୍ସରୀ କରୁ ନର୍ସରୀରୁ ଏ ତଲି ବଢ଼ିଲାରୁ ଆମେ ଆଣିକରି ଗଛ ମାନେ ଆମେ ଲଗାଇଦେଲୁ
In this hilly terrain, we had to think of a way where there was soil conservation and where people could produce their own food and also have a bit of income. Because women are the people who forage in the forest for firewood and fodder and other livelihood supplements. We are hoping that if we start with helping the women to form groups around commons which they protect, then there will be a larger impact.
ଏବେ ତ ଗଛ କୁଟ ନାଇଁ ନେ ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ତ ସରିଗଲା ସବୁ ଲାଣ୍ଡା ହେଇଗଲା ଚାକଣ୍ଡା ଗଛ ବଢ଼ଲା ବୋଲେ କମିଟି ମା ମାନେ ମାରିକରି କାଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ମଞ୍ଜି ହେଲା ବୋଲେ ଫେଲବୁ ଆର ଆମେ ବଣ୍ଟ କରି ଖାଇବୁ ଆରେ ଏ କାଜୁ ଗଛ ହେଲା ବୋଲେ ତ ପଡିଲା ବୋଲେ ଆମେ ସମସ୍ତେ ମା ମାନେ ଏକାଠି ହେଇକରି ଆମର କମିଟି ମା ମାନେ ଆମେ ପଇସା ବଢ଼ାଇବୁ ବୋଲି ମା ମାନେ କହୁଛନ୍ ଭଲ ହେବା ବୋଲି ଭାବୁଛୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆମେ କେନ୍ ବାଟେ ହେଲେ 4-8 ଆନା ଗୋଟେ ପଇସା ପଥର ଗୋଟେ ପାଇମୁ କେନ୍ ବାଟେ ଆମେ ସୁଯୋଗ ହେମୁ ଆମେ ପିଲା ମାଇକିନା ସବୁ ବଞ୍ଚମୁ ବୋଲି କରି ସେଇଟା ଲାଗୁଛି ଆମେ ସୁଯୋଗ କରି ଏବେ କରୁଛୁ ଆଗେ କରିନଥିନୁ ଏବେ କରୁଛୁ
You have a plantation in the upland, it will take 5 years to mature for the plantation to give any income. So in the meanwhile, they have no income, so they will still go for shifting cultivation in other areas. Then we move to, smaller units. We thought of family farms, where each farmer is encouraged to design 1 acre of land into partly an income generating area and then partly producing subsistence cropping area. With this, we see that the farmer will get the food crops, so they will have food security and they will get income, and so they will have certain amount of income security.
ଆରେ ଏଟା ପାହାଡ଼ ଥିଲା କି ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଟା ଏଠି ବଗିଚା ଟିକେ ରଖିକରି ଏଠି କାମ କରି ଏ ମଣ୍ଡିଆ କୋସଲା ଆଉରେ ଏ ଖାନ୍ଦିଲ ଖୋନ୍ଦା ମନ କଲାଟା ତ ଏତି ପୁନି ପର୍ବ ଚାଷ କରି ଖାଉଛନ୍ତି ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେଟାକୁ ଗଗଡ଼ାଇ ଦେଲୁ ଆଉ ତାକୁ ଗାଦ ମାରିକରି ଆମ୍ବ ଗଛ ମାନେ ଲଗାଇଲୁ କଦଳୀ ଗଛ ଲଗାଇଲୁ କାଜୁ ଗଛ ଲଗାଇଲୁ ଆଗେ ଦଣ୍ଡ ହଉଥିଲୁ ହାଟା ହାଇ ଜାଗା କଲା ଲଗୁନ ପଇସା ପତ୍ର ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ନୁନ ମରିଚ ବି ଠିକ ଚଲାଚଲ ହଉଛି
Akaya ba agara badam staba. Age mulaka ya badam chat iling ne machat. Are I kolming hidele motor idang asin komani ke jitinas. Idang to coding kudrunga ba haraji machi. Ading akai agyar to hitarna asin damuknas are be kinas inaka gobi pa ki alu pa ki wanga parujnas inji hura iling kier leke kita pare idang katta pa bari berus tapna
ସେଥିରେ ମୁଁ ସେ ଚାଷ କରି ଏ ଗଛ ଲଗାଇ କରି କୁଟ ଲଗାଇ କରି ଲିଚୁ ଗଛ କାଜୁ ଗଛ କି କଲମି ଗଛ କି କାହିଁ ନା କାହିଁ ଚାକଣ୍ଡା ଗଛ ସେଟା ଲଗାଇ ଦେଲୁ କିନି ଦେଖ ସାର୍ ସେ ମା ପଇସା ଆଣିକି ବେଡ଼େ ଦେଉଛି କିନି ସେଟା ନୁନ ମରି ଗେନି କରି ଖାଉଛି
ଆଗରେ କୁମ୍ଟିକେ କାକେ ଦେଇଥିଲୁ ସେମାନେ ଏମିତି କେଜିରେ ନାଇଁନେ ପତ୍ର ପକେଇ କରି ସେମାନେ ଆମକେ ଟୁକି କରି ନେଇଥିଲୁ ସାରିକିନେ ଏବେ ପାଚି ହେଲାକେ ଆଉ ମାଣ୍ଡିଆ ରଖୁଛୁ ଦିନ ସୁଇଟି ଆମ ସଂଗଠନ ତାନେ ପଇସା ନେଇକରି ଆଗରେ ଲୁଗାପଟା ଗେନବାକେ ଆଗେ ପଇସା ନେଇକରି ପଇସା କେତେ ହେଲେ ସେତିକି ଆମେ ଦେଉଛୁ।
ଯୋଉ ଗାଁରେ ଚାଷ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟସ୍ଥିତ ଜଣେ ମଝିରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ବିକ୍ରି କରିକିନା ସେ ଆଉ ଅଲଗା ବଡ଼ ପାର୍ଟିକୁ ବିକ୍ରି କରିବ ସେ ଅଧିକା ପଇସା ଲାଭରେ ଇଏ କରୁଥିଲା। ଆମ ସଂଗଠନ ଆମେ ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷ କିଣିବୁ ଆମେ ତ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରୁ କିଣିବୁ ଯେମିତି ମାର୍କେଟ ରେଟ୍ ଅଛି ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆମେ କିଣୁଛୁ। ସେମାନେ ତ ବିହନ ରଖିପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ ସେ ବିହନ ଯୋଗାଇ ଦେବା ପାଇଁ ବି ମାଣ୍ଡିଆ ଧାନ ବିରି ଏମିତି ଡାଲି ଜାତୀୟ ଜିନିଷ କି ଅଳସୀ ସୋରିଷ ଏମିତି ତେଲ ଜାତୀୟ ଜିନିଷ ସେମାନେ ରଖିପାରିବେ ନାହିଁ ସବୁ ବିକ୍ରି କରିଦେବେ ସେ ଅନୁସାରେ ଆମେ ସେଟା କିଣିକି ଏଠି ଆଣୁଛୁ।
ଗଛ ଲଗାଇବା ଯେଉଁ ଯୋଜନା ଆସିଲାରୁ ଆମେ ପଇସା ପତ୍ର ଇନକମ୍ କରି ଏବେ ବଞ୍ଚୁଛୁ ଚଲୁଛୁ ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ବୋଲବା କଥା
ଗଛ ଫୁଟ ପାଇଲା ପରେ ଏବେ ଚାଷବାସ ମାନେ କରୁଛୁ ଆରେ।
This farming that is being promoted here is completely organic, so we have to say it is organic conservation agriculture. Will slowly spread. We also see farmers are catching on to the idea. They are having mixed cropping and they are integrating permanent crops with annual seasonal crops. A lot of people are learning the value of the live fencing, which gives you protection as well as firewood and fodder. We are also encouraging farmers to go for a more eco-friendly pattern of land use, where the crops are grown, even the annual subsistence crops are grown with minimum tillage, so minimum soil disturbance. So we have already established a practice with the cultivation of pulses like arhar dal, and these crops the farmers have learned to grow very well with minimum soil disturbance, dribbling the seed and not disturbing the soil in any place other than where the seed has been dribbled. Some of them have even been able to grow millets, which is a very good practice actually, and especially in the context of climate change, this is a very good alternative. Because this kind of minimum soil disturbance ensures that there is a lot of carbon sequestration in the soil. So the idea is gradually catching on. This year we have 70 farmers with whom we are working. But in another project we are working with 150 farmers. And if they understand that things need to be integrated and their farm doesn't have to have only income generation plantation or only annual crops like millets and pulses, then they'll start to combine both and they will be able to move towards sustainable agriculture.
Buddha chukula ke parna palenge negui ina ka paki bawatab de ina ka pa bawatab de lakti ina ka paki bawatab de krai ko karta prikta par mar ko karta pare ebe mar kuru itapna.
We are hoping that if we start with, helping farmers to have 1 acre of land and then help them develop their commons also in a similar manner, there will be an impact on the landscape of the village. Their smaller farms will start changing. Looking at their 1 acre farms, they'll be able to develop further areas. And then looking at their commons, they will also protect other areas of commons. And then because they are able to have enough income security and food security from their farms, they will allow the jungle to regrow in other patches. So there will be a multiple kind of ecosystem rejuvenation where the forests, the agriculture and the income generating horticulture are combined together so that people have a better livelihood. And we are hoping it will eventually become a more integrated system. And if this practice is taken up by all the farmers in a village, then the entire village will over a period of time, say 5 years, 10 years, they will completely stop shifting cultivation. And they will be able to improve the ecosystem of their village in a very remarkable manner. And we hope if this takes off in 5, 6 villages, then the entire area will learn from the experience of these people.